Hey there, fellow Windows enthusiasts, ready to unlock the full potential of your operating system? Windows 10 and 11 are packed with hidden tricks and shortcuts. These can significantly boost your productivity. Think of it like discovering secret passages in a familiar house. You'll be amazed at what you've been missing. Join me as we delve into the world of Snap Assist, virtual desktops, hidden menus, and much more. Get ready to become a Windows power user. We'll explore keyboard shortcuts that will make you feel like a coding ninja. Discover secret system tools that sound like they're straight out of a spy movie. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it all in plain English. By the end of this journey, you'll be navigating your Windows machine with the speed and efficiency of a Formula One driver. So buckle up, and let's dive into the exciting world of hidden Windows features. Let's kick things off with two game changers for productivity: Snap Assist and virtual desktops. Snap Assist is like having an extra pair of hands for your Windows. Drag a window to the side of your screen, and Windows will show you a list of other open windows. Click one, and it'll snap right next to it, perfectly splitting your screen. No more resizing and dragging windows manually.
Virtual desktops, on the other hand, are like having multiple monitors without the extra hardware. Need a clean workspace for a new task? Just create a new virtual desktop. You can switch between them seamlessly using the Task View button, the one that looks like a stack of windows, or by pressing Windows key and tab. This is a lifesaver when you're juggling multiple projects or just want to keep your work and personal browsing separate.
Right-clicking. It's something we do all the time, but did you know it holds hidden depths? Right-clicking on your desktop reveals a treasure trove of options. New? Yep. Create new folders, shortcuts, or even documents right from your desktop. Display settings? Adjust your resolution, orientation, and scaling without digging through menus. Personalize? Change your background, themes, and colors in a flash.
But wait, there's more! Ever get annoyed by that delay when you right-click on the desktop? Hold down Shift while right-clicking and BAM! You get an expanded menu with even more options, including access to the command prompt and PowerShell. Talk about a time saver!
Alright, let's talk keyboard shortcuts. These are the building blocks of becoming a true Windows ninja. We all know Ctrl and C and Ctrl and V for copy and paste. But how about Ctrl and Shift and V, which lets you paste without formatting? Or Windows key and V to access your clipboard history? That's right, Windows keeps a record of the things you copy.
Window management gets a whole lot easier with shortcuts too. Windows key and arrow keys will snap your active window to different corners and sides of your screen. Windows key and D instantly minimizes all windows showing your desktop. And if you need to switch between open applications, Alt and Tab is your best friend. Master these shortcuts, and you'll be navigating your PC with lightning speed.
Section 5. The clipboard secret powers beyond simple copy and paste. Copy and paste, it's the bread and butter of computer use. But what if I told you Windows 10 and 11 have supercharged this basic function? Press, and behold, the clipboard history appears. This handy feature remembers a list of items you've copied, from text and images to files. No more constantly recopying the same thing. But wait, there's more. Click the three dots at the top of the clipboard history, and you can pin frequently used items. Need to paste that same address or email signature multiple times? Pin it to the clipboard history for easy access. You can even delete individual items or clear the entire history. The Windows clipboard is no longer a simple holding pen, it's a powerful tool for managing your copied content. Section 6. Run Command Run, your gateway to hidden features. Ever wished you could launch programs and access system settings with just a few keystrokes? Well, you can. The Run command is your secret weapon. Press, and a small window pops up. This unassuming little box is your gateway to a world of hidden Windows features.
Type misconfig and hit Enter to access the System Configuration utility, where you can manage startup programs and boot options. Type Control to open the control panel for access to a wealth of system settings. You can even launch websites by typing their URL directly into the Run dialog box. The possibilities are endless. Experiment and see what other commands you can discover.
Section 7, Emoji Explosions and God Mode Unleashing Hidden Powers. Let's inject some fun into this tech talk. Did you know Windows has a hidden emoji panel? Press and boom! A world of emojis, GIFs, and K-emoji is at your fingertips. Spice up your emails, documents, or even your code with a well-placed emoji or two. Now let's talk God Mode. Don't worry, it won't give you superpowers, or will it? God Mode is a special folder that gives you quick access to a ton of system settings and options all in one place. To activate it, create a new folder on your desktop and rename it to. The folder icon will change, and you'll have a central hub for all your Windows customization needs. Section 8, Deep Dive into System Secrets, Task Scheduler, and Disk Cleanup. Ready to dive deeper into the heart of Windows?
The Task Scheduler is a powerful tool that lets you automate tasks on your computer. Want to schedule your computer to run a virus scan every night, or automatically back up important files? Task Scheduler can do it all.
Then there's Disk Cleanup, your best friend for reclaiming precious storage space. This handy utility scans your hard drive for unnecessary files like temporary internet files, downloaded program files, and even old Windows updates, and lets you delete them with a click. Regularly using Disk Cleanup can keep your computer running smoothly and free up gigabytes of space. Section 9, Tweaking the Registry, a word of caution and opportunity. Now, for the brave of heart, we venture into the Windows Registry. This is where Windows stores all its configuration settings, and it's not for the faint of heart. Changing the wrong thing can potentially cause problems, so proceed with caution. However, with the right knowledge, you can unlock hidden features and customize your Windows experience to a granular level. Want to disable the lock screen, change the default system font, or tweak animation speeds? The registry is your playground, but remember, always back up your registry before making any changes, and only modify settings you understand. If you're not comfortable tinkering with the registry, it's best to leave it alone. Section 10, the magic of MS-Config and the Sandbox Power User Tools. Let's explore two more tools that can significantly enhance your Windows experience. MS-Config.
We briefly touched upon MS-Config earlier, but it deserves a closer look. Accessed through the Run dialog box, remember Windows key plus R, MS-Config lets you control which programs and services start up with Windows. This can significantly speed up your boot times and improve overall system performance.
Sandbox, on the other hand, is a relatively new feature that provides a safe and isolated environment within Windows to test out suspicious files or programs without risking your main system. It's like having a virtual machine within your operating system. If you're unsure about a file or program safety, run it in Sandbox first. Any changes made within Sandbox are discarded when you close it, leaving your main system untouched. Section 11. Embrace the power level up your Windows experience. Congratulations! You've now been initiated into the world of hidden Windows features and shortcuts. By mastering these tricks, you'll navigate your PC with newfound speed and efficiency. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore. The more you use these shortcuts and features, the more natural they'll become. Windows 10 and 11 are incredibly powerful operating systems, and with a little digging, you can unlock their full potential. So go forth, embrace the power, and level up your Windows experience today.